We are going to studying about 9th standard computer science lesson 2 topic Mac OS X Lion. Okay, in previous videos you are studied what is Mac OS X Lion, what is multi-touch gesture, what is spotlight, what is finder window, what is home folder. Okay, but now we are studying about how to change the view arrangement and short options. Lion allows you to change the way folder content are displayed by changing the view arrangement and short options. First we are studying about view options. There are 4 type of view options available in Mac OS X Lion. Okay, how many types of view options? 4 types. First one, icon view. What is icon view? This is the default view. This is the icon view. This is the default view. It displays the folder content as large icon. The folder are displayed in large icon wise. So this is the icon view. Okay. Next, another view, list view. This display a vertical list of folder content along with deals about each item. Vertical list. This is the list view. Here see. This is the list view icons. Okay, list view option. Another view is column view. Another one is column view. Here see, this is the columnar view. This is the columnar view and the views preview to be displayed on the screen in right side of the window. Okay, here you select any one files or folder, that's preview will be displayed on the right side of the folder. This is the columnar view. Another view is cover flow. Cover flow is similar to list view. It is similar to list view, but the top of the window similar to list view, but the top of the window there is a preview of the folder content. Top of the window contains the preview of the files or folder. Okay, so there are 4 types of view: icon view, list view, column view, last one is cover flow. Okay, next topic, how to change the item arrangement. How to change these view options or arrangements? Here, first step, click the item arrangement button and select the desired arrangement. Click the here. See, this is the item arrangement button. First step, you first click this item arrangement button and select the desired arrangement. Select any one arrangement, date, last, open, date, added, date, modified, any one option you select. Second step, the folder content will now be arranged into groups. The folder content will now be arranged into groups. To remove the grouping, similarly change the item arrangement is to none. To remove this group, similarly you choose this option, none options only you selected. So this is the how to change the item arrangement steps. Okay, next another topic, how to sort in list view and cover flow. Sort means arrangement. Sort means arrangement in list view and cover flow view. How to the steps? First step, click the column header to sort by that column. For example, you can click the size column header option. Click the column header options and then select the size and then select the size options. Okay, if you don't see the column you want, you can right click any column header to select the column to want to show. If you don't see this column you don't see. If you want to any one column you see, then you select any one column. Okay, so this is the sort in list view and cover flow view. Okay, the lesson is over. Next you study the question answer and one word. Okay, first fill up. OS X Lion is an operating system designed by DAS, Apple. DAS is designed to be an easier way to launch and manage your application. Launchpad. DAS is designed to an easier way. Launchpad. Lion adds improvement to the DAS app which is used by blind. VoiceOver. Lion adds improvement. DAS app VoiceOver. The starting screen is called the desktop. The starting screen is called the desktop. When an app open, the icon on the dock will have DAS under it. Light. Under it, light. Some app in Lion have a DAS mode, full screen mode. Full screen mode. Some app in Lion have a DAS mode, full screen mode. DAS is used to full screen mode. Control Command F. DAS is used to full screen mode. Control Command F. The DAS is located at the top of the screen, menu bar. The dash icon is on the left side of the menu bar, Apple icon. Dash icon is on the right side of the menu bar, magnifying glass icon. Dash tool can be used to search your computer spotlight. There are dash main ways to start navigating. There are two main ways. Okay. Match the following content, current folder, sidebar, location, toolbar, customize, Safari, browser, spotlight, search. So this is the one word. Okay students.